before we go, one last thought. Where I see most of my clients fight me on this process is around meetings with their clients. And they say to me, yeah, but that's when they're able to meet. And yeah, but I need the money. And yeah. And I hear you. I really do. There are moments in time, and especially early in your business, you're probably taking every project you can get, any money that's coming your way, because you're trying to make the money and you're trying to see your business be a success. And I totally get that. As you progress through your business, you have the ability to call shots in a different way than you do potentially in year one. However, and this is a big caveat, that does not in any way mean you should be saying yes to everything. Not all money is good money. Not all clients are good clients. And it never means that you should be working yourself into a state that is not sustainable. Your health comes first. If you do not have your health, you do not have a business. I really want you to hear that. If you do not have your health, you do not have your business. So you need to have good boundaries around your time. You need to practice saying no, but sometimes it's just negotiating. And that's the thing I want you to remember, is that a client can come to you and request work or request a meeting at their time, whatever they've proposed. But remember, it's just a proposal. You can negotiate another time. You can negotiate delivering work later. So the key to remember here is that you are in control. You have always been in control. You may have let yourself get a little sideways for a while, but at the end of the day, nobody has the right to dictate it to you, and you don't dictate it to someone else. We are always working to meet in the middle, and what we really want to have are clients who respect us and who want to pay us good money to do the work that we do. Those are the people we want to work with. We don't want to work with people who don't respect our time, who don't want to pay us, who are shitty. Your time matters. You matter. You are valuable, period, end of story. And that's just because you're human. That has nothing to do with anything. So value your own time. Value your own schedule. Your time is the single most precious resource that you have. You will not get more of it. It doesn't expand. It's diminishing right now. We're literally losing it at the same pace. You and me, everybody else. It's going away. Value your time. Above all, your health matters, your energy matters, you matter, you've always mattered. So I want you to prioritize you, build the life that you want to live. Know that it matters. You get one. Make it count. Make it work. You do not have to do everything that everybody else wants when everybody else wants it. You're not the victim of your own life and your own schedule. You are absolutely in control. So remember that. Know that. If you ever need a pep talk, you hit me up. I do this with my clients all the time. Sometimes you just need a little reminder. You've got this. Your time matters. You are valuable right freaking now. Okay. Now we're done. Love you.